What is going on, Coasters Fathers? This is Alex, and we are back at Nickelodeon Universe theme park at American Dream Mall in East Rutherford, New Jersey, right across the river from New York City. And we're going to do a little bit of a park update today, a little bit of construction, some services that are now available, and so there are 5 new kiddie rides that have been added, which I think is great. I think that's something that the park really needed when we visited back in October and before. It just seemed like it was lacking for the little kids. So the first ride is Butter Beans Sweet Spin, which is a little bit of a teacup ride. Love the cupcake theme, like Ariel. Isn't this like your favorite ride right here? Look at.
So cute. I want to eat it.
I know, I do. It's so. There's candy. There's cupcakes.
Can we taste it yet?
I mean, it's brand new. We could probably lick it and not get any diseases. I'm just joking. I'm just joking. So yeah, this is the first new kid ride. I'll show you the next one, which is going to be a big hit with the toddlers. If you have kids, you know that Paw Patrol is one of the best things Nickelodeon has done. You do have the Putt Away Ferris wheel that was already here, but now you have a second ride themed to Paw Patrol Zumas Zoomers, which is a small little whip attraction, a kiddie whip. And these are just as fun as the adult versions, very fun. If you ride with your children, you're gonna love it. It's not boring, I love it. And I love the theming with the seagulls. Right here it goes, so you can see, there you go. Very nice. Now, of course, if you want more Paw Patrol, in addition to the new ride, they also have this awesome playground that your kids can run around and play with and climb and all that stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. But we're gonna move back and check out 3 more new rides that are going in, and some that are already open. So we'll talk about the third ride that's going in. But first I gotta just say, operational wise, today is a Sunday. A little bit busy, but everything is operating very smoothly. We've been getting on the rides within 5-10 minutes. Whereas over at Great Adventure today, you're like getting long lines of hour long and more, and today, no waits whatsoever. But here's the last one. Boots Banana Swing. This is just a little swing ride for the little kids. Adults can ride with your kids. And there it goes. It just swings back and forth. There it is. I love the big banana with boots on top of it. Very cute. Definitely. So yeah, they definitely did a great job of theming these out. They didn't just put a stock ride in and made it fit the theme perfectly fine. I love it. So the first thing people noticed when this place opened is they had a lot of queue lines and extra lines and everything, and we knew eventually a quick pass would come to this park, and it now has arrived. The Nickelodeon quick pass. You can see the blue line over there for it. It costs $50, and you have the ability to skip lines on 10 different rides. I'll put the list up right now so you can see what's available, but it's available on all 5 major coasters, which is really what you want to see, definitely. And this one's also on it. So $50 on a busy day, hey, might be worth it. So the last ride to open will be the Loud House Road Trip. This is one of these little camp bus rides, kind of goes up and down, swings around. This will probably be late summer before this one opens. It's got a little bit more to do. Ride's pretty much installed, but you got a lot of electrical to do. Anyways, but looks fantastic. I love how you can see right here, it's got these little counterweights, and I love how when it's not operating, they pretty much just camouflage into it. That's very cool. Over here at the Skyline Scream, it is closed today. It's been having some technical issues, but looks like they're going to try to iron them out so it runs a little bit more efficiently. But we'll see, definitely. Next new ride here is the Guppy Bubbler, based on the Bubble Guppies. This is what's typically known as a Samba Tower. Great little aerial view of the park from up there. Especially with the interactions of the half pipe coaster right there, the Timmy's half pipe. Awesome. And you can just ride it and not spin at all, or you can just go crazy like that. That green one right there, oh my goodness, that is a lot of spinning. All right, so that is everything new at Nickelodeon Universe. You got the new skip the line pass and 5 new rides. And I've been told that this new ride here, the little cupcake ride, will be opening very soon, probably within the week. So look for that, and definitely come and try this place out. It's a little expensive, but it's definitely a really cool ride selection. So thanks for watching. This has been Alex for the Coaster Spot. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this video, hit that notification bell for more updates.